In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AUTOTUNE on BandLab. So it's actually quite simple. The first thing you have to do once you're inside the project, and this is very important, you can only use AUTOTUNE on your voice or audio recording. So as you can see over here in melody, chords, bass, drums, I can't use AUTOTUNE on any of this. However, over here when I click on the voice/audio, which is a random recording in here, at the bottom left, you can see a thing called AutoPitch, and this AutoPitch is actually pretty much AutoTune inside BandLab. So what you can do over here is first select your category, which can be Essentials, Hip Hop, Hyperpop, or Sci-Fi. So basically you have a bunch of different ones, and then you can set your AutoPitch by just dragging it down or up like this. Now usually my recommendation is you do not keep this at 100, because if it's at 100, usually it's going to sound very awful. Now you can test for yourself. You can just adjust it multiple times, of course, because of course your voice will change accordingly. The audio will change depending on how much of a percentage you put over here. But then of course if you go to 100, it's going to be a bit weird. I would recommend like between maybe 60 or 70 to 80. It will sound a bit better. And then after you do that, you can select the scale. And then after you select the scale, you'll be able to then see different keys over here. You'll be able to also apply some different basically advanced settings in case you have your BandLab membership, but if you don't, this is the only thing you can really do with it. So that's pretty much it. That's how to set AutoTune. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.